Hello, you're on the Workshop Insider channel, and today you'll see some tips and life hacks that work very well, but the lefties hide them from you. Convenient fasteners that you can easily make yourself. A convenient way to bring the nuts. A more comfortable corner that you can make yourself. How to unscrew the screw correctly without damaging anything. A useful tool that you can easily make yourself from a regular fork. A very simple and elegant way to seal the crack in the wood with soda and glue. The packages cut hands quite often, but now this problem is in the past. You can easily make a comfortable handle yourself, which will help you forget about all the problems forever. Very simple way to make beautiful, comfortable wooden pencils. Just follow my instructions and you'll be able to please your loved ones with a great gift that made with your own hands. An easy way to make the markings on the wrench more visible and readable. A correct and even cut that will not leave any roughness. And while you're looking at how various materials are smoldering, write in the comments what you like the most and don't forget to press like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.